in CIJ. First, I learned English. I think CIJ's strength is we can learn English from Filipinos and native. There are 4 lessons in CIJ. There are reading, writing, grammar, and speaking. In reading class, I learned about reading, word, economic, and so on. In speaking class, I learned about many skills of speaking, words, and so on. In writing class, I learned about how to write essay. In grammar class, I learned about many things. Second, I learned about communication. In CIJ, we always talk with managers and teachers. They are very kind. Sometimes I am scolded by Korean managers, but I'm not disappointed with it. I knew they want to fix my bad habits. When we communicate with others, we can learn many things. For example, if I communicate with scientists, I can get to know about science. CIJ is one of the society. CIJ teaches us how to communicate. Third, I learned how to make relationships with friends. In CIJ, there are 120 people. CIJ teaches us how to make friends and how to stay peacefully. Sometimes we feel gloomy and sad by friends when we communicate with friends. CIJ helped me when I don't have friends in CIJ. They make friends for me. CIJ is very kind and friendly. Fourth, we can enjoy many activities. In CIJ, we go to the shopping, the fishing, the swimming, and the mall on Wednesday. Also, we watch movie and eat snack on Sunday. CIJ make us happy. Someone think staying in CIJ is very hard, but if you come here, you are surprised because CIJ is funny and friendly. Lastly, we can eat many delicious foods. I think CIJ's food are very delicious and clean because when CIJ's chef cook the food, they always wash off their hands and wear vinyl gloves. In conclusion, I would like to say I like to stay in CIJ. I recommend you stay in CIJ because here is funny and friendly. Also, here's managers and teachers are very kind. Thank you for reading my essay.